In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators in TradingView step by step. If your chart is feeling cluttered, or you just want a clean view of price action, removing indicators is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. First, look at your chart and move your mouse over the indicator's name. You'll usually find these names in the chart's legend near the top left of the main chart area, or on the left side of the pane if the indicator lives in its own panel, like RSI or MACD. As you hover over the name, a small set of controls will appear. This hover state is important because the remove option only shows up when your cursor is on that label. Take a moment to position your cursor carefully so the controls appear. When you see the indicator name highlighted and the small controls next to it, click the X icon, which stands for Remove. This action targets only the indicator you're hovering over, so you won't affect anything else on your chart. The moment you click, the indicator is removed instantly. You'll notice its lines, shapes, or plots disappear from the chart or pane, and the indicator's name will vanish from the legend as well. Your underlying chart data, drawings, and other tools remain untouched, so you can focus on what matters without visual noise. Now, if you want to clear every indicator at once, TradingView makes that easy too. Head to the top toolbar and click the Indicators button. In the window that opens, go to Manage Indicators, which shows a list of all the indicators currently active on your chart. From there, click Remove All. This clears every indicator from your chart in one go, including those in separate panes. It's a great reset when you're switching strategies, simplifying your layout, or preparing to share a clean screenshot. Your chart symbols, timeframes, drawings, and layout preferences stay as they are. Only the indicators are removed. That's all you need to quickly tidy up your charts. Hover over the indicator name, click the X to remove a single item, or use Indicators, Manage Indicators, and Remove All when you want a completely clean slate. Keeping your workspace organized like this can make analysis faster and your decisions clearer. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.